Hey, what's up guys, this is Ken over at GROM Audio, and today I have a 2016 Toyota Highlander. I'm going to show you guys how to take off the front panel here to access our radio, so we're going to get to the wiring and install VLine. So come along and check it out. So we're going to need some tools, like some plastic pry tools like so, and then I have my 10mm socket with some extensions to pull the radio, because there's going to be 4 screws behind here. But in the meantime, I'm just going to use the plastic pry tool, and I'm just going to start working on the edges here. And just be careful, as this trim, it gets thinner as it moves up along the top edge here. So you just want to be very careful. And of course you got electronics here, so again, just be careful. I'm just going to start from the bottom edge. And then I already kind of got it out just a little bit, but so I'm just snap it. So here's that. And then just slowly work your way along the passenger side. I can't reach. So okay, you got it off there, and then there's going to be 2 clips like that. Okay, so that's our panel. I'm gonna move this aside so we don't get it damaged. Alright, the next thing we have to do is to take off this trim here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's like a brownish wood trim. So just gonna start from the edges like that, and just kind of gently lift back towards you. Okay, so there's that. All right, so now we're going to take off the vents. I'll just start with this side. So they're just snapped on, so just kind of gently give it a little pull. All right, so that's one. And then we're going to do this side. That's 2. Okay. So now you got the 4 bolts. 2 on the bottom here, you can see, and there's 2 that are angled to the side. Okay, just remember when you're pulling these screws out, keep it in a safe place, and then also be careful you don't drop them, inside your dash, otherwise they might be a little difficult to find. Alright, and that was all 4 screws. So after that, we're just going to go ahead and just gently, see if I'm not in your way, gently just kind of lift it out. And there it is, guys. This is the 2016 Toyota Highlander. This is the radio. This has the JBL navigation. We can set it down. I don't have my cloth next to me, but normally I would put a towel below here just to make sure I don't scratch any of the dash trim or anything like that. So because I don't have my towel with me, I'm just gonna gently set it back in here. And that's it. So with this vehicle, we'll probably end up running the VLine in the glove box, and I believe there's a lot of room. I can get the wiring in the glove box without the glove box on top is semi-open, so I'll be able to run the wires without cutting any holes or anything like that. And yep, I think that's where we're going to mount it. So again, guys, this is how you take apart a 2016 Toyota Highlander.